Don't you wish you could know more about people when it comes to your digital, online, inbound content, social media marketing? I mean, wouldn't it be great if you could ask a question dependent upon the first question's answer that they gave you that you asked? I know that got kind of weird. I mean, look, everybody might look at my background and think that I absolutely love Marvel, but what if you asked me a question and I answered in a different way that surprised the heck out of you and let you know that my favorite character is actually from DC. Anyway, in this Sprocket Talk tutorial, we're going to talk to you about dependent form fields, HubSpot, and asking smart questions. Alright, as you can see, we are back in a HubSpot portal, and today we're going to talk about dependent form field, meaning asking a second question based on the answer of the first question. And oh my gosh, how awesome that gets for the data, the information that you can collect for your sales and marketing teams. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and head over to marketing. I'm going to go ahead and head over to lead capture, and I'm going to go ahead and click on forms. Now in this case, I'm going to dive into our Launchpad workshop, pre-workshop assessment, and then I want to add a field that is maybe what type of work, and so I'll just do a search for type and then type of help, and I'll drag that in here. Now, under type of help, you're going to be able to see that we have these, interested in marketing help, in website help, in sales strategy help, in HubSpot help, and maybe I want to ask a secondary question along the lines of what they answer. And so because this is already selected to see those, I can scroll down just a little bit and I can see there is dependent fields here. And now I can see that it contains any of, contains none of, is not empty. And I will let you know this type of help or this contains any of or the drop down here will change dependent upon if you are using a single line text or a drop down. It gives you different ones that you can use. I'm going to say contains any of and then needs HubSpot help. And because it's HubSpot help, what do I want to ask them? Well, I can then show, and I can even do a search for how. And notice this, I have how long have you been using HubSpot, and I can go ahead and add that. Now, what this does is this adds a ton of value to the conversation, because even in your form, the idea is that they could come in and select HubSpot, and now it's going to give us a drop down. Well, how long have you been using HubSpot? It's relevant to the conversation that you're having digitally in your forms. And the good thing is that you don't have to stop with one. Now, I wouldn't go hog wild on this, but you can scroll down and you can add another rule, and you could still say, well, contains any of and HubSpot help, and then go ahead and ask a second question. And so maybe I even type in the word HubSpot, and I see that I have a question. What is your website platform? Is it WordPress? Is it HubSpot right now? I can go ahead and select that and add that. And if I come up to the preview now and go ahead and say, what type of help do you want? HubSpot help. Notice I get two different fields that I can now display. I would in most cases only use one or two fields, but hey, in HubSpot, asking a second question dependent upon the answer of the first question, it's just that simple. It's just that easy. So what I want you to know is it's that simple, it's that easy. However, I also want you to open up your mind to the possibilities of what you can do with this technology. One way that you might open your mind is start building out forms that are persona based. That's right. Imagine going to a landing page and the first question is, how would you best describe yourself? And when they select their persona, guess what? That's right. You can give them 3 or 4 questions specific to who they are, what they might need, or the pains that they're facing. Hey, do you need education past this tutorial? That's what we do. Weekly trainings as well as 1 and 2 day workshops. Check out the links below. Let us know. We're here to help. As always, this is your boy George B from Impulse Creative, aka Sprocket Talk, saying happy HubSpotting. Hey, Facebook family, fans, friends, whoever you are, make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment if you have questions or you just want to add to the conversation. And of course, share it out with your friends because, hey, everybody needs to know how to do their marketing, their sales, their service better. What's up, YouTube channel? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for instant notifications. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment below if you have questions, and of course, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe or, watch another video.